What are you doing? Are your feet wet?
Come on, Alex. You ready to go?
No airplane.
Oh.
What is that?
Something probably. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful sunset?
Yeah, it's pretty. What are you doing, baby? Are you stomping?
I got all wet.
You did get all wet.
You stop. Stop.
You run, you.
Nuh-uh, you run.
Run, you.
A beautiful sunset. I didn't catch that last part.
Boy, your feet are going to be soaking wet. All right, you ready to go? Come on, we gotta go. Come on, we gotta go, baby. Come on. You want to jump? We must look like a couple of retards filming our kids stomping in a mud puddle.